The if else step allows you to split a workflow journey into paths based on conditions such as: does the contact have a specific tag or not? Is the current month December? Has the contact replied to a message from this workflow? Or even, did they enter this workflow via workflow trigger number 1 versus workflow trigger number 2? This workflow, for example, kicks off when a contact clicks a trigger link, and we can see that the first step is an if else that checks to see if the contact already has a specific tag, which in this case is called offer redeemed. If they don't have that tag yet, they go down the doesn't have the offer redeemed tag path, where they then receive an approval email. And if they do have the tag already, they go down has offer redeemed tag path, where they receive an offer denied email. Another powerful example is using the if else to split the journey based on which workflow trigger brought them into the workflow. Let's say you have a workflow that sends a dentist an email after an appointment asking the dentist how that appointment with the contact went. And the email contains a trigger link for each of the possible outcomes, such as showed and bought, no show, and showed but didn't buy. This workflow would kick off when the dentist clicks any one of those three trigger links, but we need to figure out which trigger link the dentist clicked. And we can do this with the if else step. We can see that the if else has three separate branches, each relating to a specific workflow trigger. If no show was the link that the dentist clicked, the workflow will continue down the no show path. If showed but didn't buy was clicked, it will continue down the showed but didn't buy path. And if it was showed and bought that was clicked by the dentist, the workflow would continue down that corresponding path. In addition to the two examples we covered, you can create if else branches based on time-based events, contact details, email events, custom values, and more. The if else event is a powerful way to build one workflow that can execute a number of objectives based on a limitless variety of scenarios.